Let's hope this works out good.
Dude, this is going to be crazy. I'm hitting the deck right here.
Say goodbye to your car. I'll give you my ring.
Oh, it's coming. It's right there, bro. It's right there.
It's a lot of fuse.
Smoke. There they go.
It's right there.
All right, there we go.
Uh-oh. Mama.
Now you're going to start hearing.
Out.
Oh, look out now. Oh, shit. That one definitely didn't work right. Oh. Oh, shit. Fuck up. Holy shit. This is better than the one there. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Dude. Almost in there. Oh, shit. Terrible idea. Terrible idea.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
All right. Back to the drawing board. Dude, that was a bomb in the street. Holy shit. Dude.
I can't wait to
Dude, is that camera right?
Holy crap.
Is the camera right?
Yeah, the camera's full.
Holy shit.
Wait, let's clean this up.
Dude, this is crazy. Let's get this thing. I don't even know if I want to touch this thing.
Put it over there on the upside down over there.
This thing right here on top of the lawn?